Hi, woo-hoo! This is Janetta. And you know what? I enjoy some of the videos that young people are putting out. And they sound good. You know, when I first came to the light of understanding about the Most High in my life, I first started closely reading the Bible for myself. And when I read the Bible for myself, the thing that I got really involved in, it said, let us make man. Let us make male and female. And to give them dominion. And Adam had dominion over everything. He had control. God gave him this earth. He had power and authority in this earth. So whatever he proclaimed in this earth was what was going to happen. He had authority. He allowed Satan to come into the garden. He allowed him. God saw Satan, but God did not he did not come down to stop Satan. It was the responsibility of Adam to guard over the garden. Adam and Eve, not just Adam. It was the responsibility for them to take care of things. And they welcome in that spirit of evil into this earth realm that exists in here today. And that's the same way with you. You can pray till heaven opens up. You can read as many and quote as many Bible scriptures you want. You can say some of the things that this young lady is saying.
Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nisi, Jehovah Jabor, El Shaddai.
It's religious. It sounds holy. It sounds good. But honey, when it comes to getting rid of some of them spirits that run around here, you got to deal with the spirit. And in fact, when you read what Jesus said, he said we got authority. And why would you give somebody authority if they're not going to use it? If God had to come down and correct every wrong that was going on, we need to learn how to use our authority. I'm going to tell you something. When I read that alcohol had a spirit, alcohol is so bold. It's so bold. That spirit of alcohol is so bold until it tells you what it is. Dude, I had to deal with that spirit. I couldn't deal with that husband. I don't care how many Bible scriptures I read. I don't know how many candles, how much oil I poured on, how many times I went to church. That wasn't going to do it. And how hard Paul called out on the Most High. And the names of God that she knows. Those are named, but those are not named for power. We didn't know anything about that before the evangelistic came along. Those names. But the power. What is happening right now in Sudan, what is happening right now in Kenya, Nigeria, what is happening right now in the United States of America, what is happening right now in Iran has nothing to do with the fact that God's not taking care of it because they don't serve him. It has something to do with the authority. Man has the authority, whether we like it or not. And those of us that know the truth and read the Bible need to read that we have dominion. So if we, the church, take dominion, then things will change. But all this religious stuff, you can act holy, you can shout holy, you can jump up and down, you can speak in tongues, you can do all that kind of stuff until we deal with these spirits of wickedness in this earth realm today. We got power over the spirits. Okay, this is Janetta. Hey, I hope to hear from you. Comment. Just because I'm old, you can still comment. Comment. Share. All right. Woo-hoo. Talk to you later. Hey, this is Janetta, and you're watching Africa Speak.